Tough residue and trapped soils in your carpet will not only be visible to visitors, but can also affect the smell of carpeted areas. To restore your carpet to a like-new state, get State's Ecolution Carpet Cleaner. State's fragrance-free Ecolution Carpet Cleaner is specially formulated to take care of tough residues, trapped soils, and spills with an encapsulating agent that traps sticky or oily residues, making it so that the carpet will no longer attract dirt or soils, leaving your carpet cleaner for longer. This versatile product does not only have to be used as a spot cleaner, but can also be used for extraction and bonnet cleaning, simplifying the product selection process. Ecolution Carpet Cleaner's highly concentrated solution is designed to save you money, making less product go farther. Simply dilute the product to your needs with a one-solution system from State Industrial Products that will guarantee the proper mixture every time with no overusage of product. State's fragrance-free Ecolution Carpet Cleaner. Another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.